That's a big old brown, dude. Yeah. Nice. Today we are at the Clark Fork River, just finished up our day, and now we're walking back to the car.
It was honestly an epic day, super epic.
Yeah, we caught some pretty awesome fish, so stay tuned. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You got one? Oh, that's a nice one, isn't it? Oh.
It's a rainbow, I think.
Oh, dude, that's a nice size trout right there. Nice.
Let's go, dude. Let's go. Beautiful fish. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm super happy. That was sick. Let's see if we can catch some more.
Oh, got one. Oh. Oh my God. We got a jumper on our hands. Woo! Oh yeah!
Nice, dude. All right, dude.
Yeah, woo!
Well, feels like we've been walking all day back to where we caught the first fish. Let's see if we can catch another one.
I think I got one. No, stick. Okay. Might have just had a bite though. Oh yeah, I got one. Oh, this one is, oh, it's another big guy.
He's jumping.
Is he false hooked? He's strong, that's for sure. Look, he's just peeling out line.
Here we go. Nice catch. Let's go. Big fish, man. It's like the third stick in a row. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, baby. Woo! Woohoo!
You got one? Nice. That's another big one.
They're great size, dude. Look at that. Beautiful. counter whitefish. We got some meat on it. Nice. Whitefish. Yeah, let's go. That's a fish. He's a bigger one too. Oh, he's big.
That's a big old brown, dude. Yeah. Nice. Nice, dude.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm shaking. Look at this monster I just got. Oh my god, what a beautiful brown. Let's go!
All right, thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks, everybody.
We'll see you on the next one.
Later. You!